Walmart Family Mobile utilizes T-Mobile's network for affordable prepaid plans. First, you'll need a Walmart Family Mobile SIM kit, either a physical SIM or an eSIM compatible phone. Purchase a phone and SIM kit from Walmart, either in-store or online. If using a physical SIM, insert it into your phone. For eSIM, download the Walmart Family Mobile app and scan the QR code provided. Next, open the Walmart Family Mobile app or visit their website. Enter your phone's IMEI number, select a plan that fits your needs, and submit your payment information. Activation is usually quick, taking just a few minutes for eSIMs and up to 2 hours for physical SIMs. Keep an eye out for a confirmation message. Congratulations, your phone should now be activated. Transferring your existing number to Walmart Family Mobile. Step 1. Gather your information. Collect your account number, PIN, and last 4 digits of your current phone number from your previous carrier. Ensure no outstanding balances to avoid delays. Step 2. Start the transfer. Begin the process through the Walmart Family Mobile app or website. Step 3. Fees and timeline. Porting fee is typically $10, free if done within 30 days of activation. Transfer takes 2 to 24 hours, up to 3 days if issues arise. Step 4. After transfer. Your old phone service will stop working as your number becomes active on your new Walmart Family Mobile phone. Important: consent forms. It is mandatory to fill out porting consent forms for number transfers to avoid fraud risks.